ocean of the silent sea. A single song keeps calling endlessly. 50 winters drift through tidal swells. Still the ocean guards the secret well. They say the others sing a lower tone, but this lone heart found a voice its own. 52 waves through the endless night, a lonely echo chasing distant light. Maybe the world just hears in different ways. Maybe some souls were born to drift in haze. I sing when no one answers back, across the dark, across the black. Storms may rise and currents pull apart. Still the ocean holds a beating heart. In every silence, something grows, a deeper truth the darkness knows. Maybe the voice that feels alone is just a note not yet found home. And every wander through the deep is just a promise time will keep. Across the black, but every wave still carries me through endless blue eternity. A lonely whale beneath the stars still writes its music through the sky. Quiet of the sea, I finally hear the song in me. You had Prohibition 2026.